Hey guys, I'm going to the beach right now with my family. So it's a beach vlog. And look, I got my bag. It's Marvel because I love Marvel. And my flip-flops are Marvel. So yeah, let's go.
Hi, we're going to swim.
Cute. Yeah, this is my mask. اوه مش عبالي اشي مع نوتيلا.
Hello. Me in my cave.
Oh, you fixed it!
Not really.
It's still there and working. Yeah.
This is a computer.
Why is it so bright? Say hi.
Hi, what's up guys?
Hello.
Hi.
This is very fun.
We're gonna go eat now, okay? We're gonna go eat.
Okay, I want margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza? I thought he wants a margarita. Oh, no. Don't swim if we're gonna go eat now. You're gonna get cold.
When the pizza, okay, go. When the pizza come, I will call you.
Margarita.
Okay.
Why is it so windy? Guys, I have a question. I'm very confused why the water is literally green. Like, it's turquoise / green. Oh look, Kina's there. It's usually bluer, darker. I think I'm gonna go swim now. It's very hot though. It's very hot. Oh my god, I look gorgeous.
I'm sinking.
So guys, I changed my mind and now I'm gonna read, and then later I'm gonna go to the sea and I'm gonna swim and build something sand because I love building stuff in the sand. Yeah. So the book I'm currently reading is The Hate You Give. It's actually really good and I enjoy it. So look, we're somewhere here. And yeah, we're gonna read this and see what page I get off to. So the page I'm on now, is 105. So let's see how many pages I can fit in. Guys, oh my god, I'm reading the book and like I'm about to finish the book and oh my god, I cannot explain how amazing this book is. Like, oh my god, if you haven't read it, go read it now. Just oh my god. Oh look, and there's my dad and Kina. That's not my dad. And there's my dad and Kina just chilling in the water.
Can I vlog?
Where do you want to go now, Kina?
Here.
Here? We can go to the jacuzzi. I really do feel like the jacuzzi though. It looks so relaxing. No, you can't. You're too young and we're gonna go to the beach now. Where are we going?
To the beach.
To the beach. Fine, let's talk for 2 minutes.
Hey guys, now we're going to the beach. Oh my god.
Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Guys, look, I'm stuck in here. Stuck in the hole now. Right, Knan? Say hi. Oh. Okay. Okay.
A few minutes later. When the sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Hi.
You can't see my legs.
How deep are you in?
Say hi, Dad.
Hi.